What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited for this restock because we have some limited edition Halloween slimes already. I know it's not even September yet. I'm just really excited. You all know that I love starting my Halloween slimes early, so what is the difference this year? You know, this restock is going to be a little bit smaller than normal. I think we have about 255 or 56 full 8-ounce slimes. So just keep that in mind when you want to purchase. You should get to the shop really quick if you want to snatch some slime. We open at 6 p.m. Central Time, and yeah. The slime that you are looking at right now is obviously Chanel number 2. She is very thick and glossy scented Bubblicious bubblegum. This is my best seller. She is the queen of the unicorn slime shop, and I really love her. This is an older video, I would say from about 2 weeks back, just because I didn't have a chance to film an updated video of Chanel and of Baja Blast. So those two are going to be a little bit older, but they're the exact same recipes, so they look the exact same, and just great. And of course we have Baja Blast as well. This one here is an icy / cloud slime type of hybrid slime, I would say. You definitely get some drizzles out of it, but it is definitely looking and feeling like a icy slime, so that's pretty cool as well. This one is made to look just like Baja Blast and scented just like Baja Blast as well. If you've never had Baja Blast, it is basically just Mountain Dew. However, it's like a tropical Mountain Dew, so there's like blue raspberry notes, there's like tropical notes in there, and of course Mountain Dew scent as well. It's really nice. This next slime is going to be added into the stone collection. This one here is Fairy Stone. It is a beautiful pink slime with pink and clear fishbowl beads in there. There's a bunch of chunky pink iridescent glitters and smaller iridescent glitters. It's just really nice, packed full of glitter and fishbowl. It's like a half fishbowl, I would say. There's definitely a lot of it to give it a good crunch. However, I wouldn't consider it a full fishbowl, just like my other stone slimes. And I just really love this one so much. The color alone, it's just beautiful. The next one that we're adding to the stone collection is actually called Leaf Stone. I love this one so much. It's a very beautiful green color. There is a bunch of green iridescent glitters in there and green and clear fishbowl beads in there as well. There are also some chunky holographic glitters in there which give it a nice touch as well, and I just really love this one. Now the next slime here might look new to some of you, but if you've been rocking with me for a while, you will know that we've actually had this one a couple months back, I would say. This is Reese's Pieces. This one is scented just like peanut butter cups, and it's really, really good. It has a bunch of yellow, orange, and brown foam beads in there. I know they look black, but that's just because they're really dark. They are brown foam beads, just to kind of represent the Reese's Pieces, and then the brown slime, obviously, to kind of like represent peanut butter, I guess. I just really love this slime so much because I love Reese's Pieces. I love anything Reese's, basically, and it's just really nice. It's super creamy, the base, and very, very thick. It is a cream cheese slime, so it's just really nice, and the foam beads add an awesome texture. The OG Blueberry cereal is back, y'all, and I am so hyped for this. You have no idea. Okay, we need to talk about this line for a hot minute because we revamped it from last year. So if you don't know, let's start off this way. If you don't know about Blueberry cereal, it is a Halloween cereal that usually comes out at seasonal during Halloween. It is a blueberry cereal, so it has the big purple ghosts, and then it has some rainbow marshmallows in it. And basically what happens is when you pour your milk into the cereal, the milk turns blue, and so that is why it's a blue slime with large rainbow and purple beads to represent the cereal and the marshmallows in there. I love this slime so much. It's probably my favorite this restock, and I've been looking forward to restocking it for quite a long time now. Also, we did update the scent. The scent is super realistic to the cereal now. It smells just like blueberry cereal and marshmallows. Oh, it's so good. I cannot say enough great things about this slime. I honestly love it. It's one of my Halloween bestsellers. Well, it was last year, so I'm assuming it's going to be again this year. I really, really love it. Dole Whip is a new slime that is in my best-selling texture. It is a buttercream slime. It's scented pineapple. If you don't know what a buttercream slime, it's basically what I call a butter snow, I want to say other people call it. It is a mixture between a butter slime and a cloud cream, so it's really nice. I almost forgot what it was called there. I love this one so much. It's super thick, holdable, and spreadable as well, and very sizzly, of course, because the Daiso and the snow is just amazing. It's literally like the best car slime. If you get any of my buttercream slimes, they literally don't melt. They're amazing, and it's just perfect because they're holdable. You can really take them on the go with you, and I love it so much. For those of you who are wondering why Mud Mask hasn't came back, it's actually because the scent takes a while to get here, but we have it now, so we will have it next week, I promise. But yeah, definitely get a Dole Whip while you can. I made a Wumbo mess making this video right here, but I love it. It is Captain Crunch, and I'm so excited to bring this back. This one here is a Captain Crunch scented slime made to look just like Captain Crunch, so it's like a half foam. The foam beads are added in just to give it texture and also for the look. I really love it. The base is thick and glossy, and it is scented just like Captain Crunch, which is like one of the best scents ever. And yeah, everyone is going to come with a little spoon too, so you can act like it's a real cereal. And the last slime is another one that I was super excited for. This one is called Spirit. It is a gray, almost lavender colored cloud slime dusted with a bunch of iridescent glitters, and it will come with a random ghost charm. I really love it. We have some really cute ghost charms, and then we have like some scarier ones, so it just depends on what you get. This one is a cloud slime, but it's special because it's actually a glow-in-the-dark cloud slime, which is really cool. The thing I will say about this is you can see the fallout in the video. It's just because it was actually a fresh batch when I filmed this. You should definitely not have any fallout once you get it because it should be absorbed fully into the slime by the time you get it. As you can see here, it actually has really good drizzles for a cloud slime, and I love it because I can never drizzle a cloud slime, so that's pretty cool. And it's actually UV reactive, so it will only glow if you charge it in the sun, but I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget that we open the store at 6 p.m. Central Time, and I hope that you found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!